Chapter 1, Illustration 2. Now see, this illustration is about commission. There are two methods for calculating commission. Commission एक पार्टनर को दिया जाता है और मैनेजर को दिया जाता है. ठीक है, वो आपको क्वेश्चन में रीड करना रहेगा. तो बिफोर दैट लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड द मेथड्स फॉर कैलकुलेटिंग कमीशन. सी, commission can be paid in two forms. First one, certain percentage of commission on profit before deduction of such commission. Please focus on these words, before deduction of such commission. And second method is after deduction of such commission. ठीक है, अभी ये जो वर्ड्स दिए हैं उसके बेसिस पे सिंपली आपको फॉर्मूला डिसाइड करना है. See, here is the formula for first method. If they are asking you that you are supposed to pay commission to so and so partner or manager before deduction of such commission, then you are going to use first formula, that is commission equals to net profit into percentage of commission upon 100. This is the formula for this one, first method, and the formula for second method has a minor change. पूरा फॉर्मूला सेम है, बट सिर्फ डिनोमिनेटर में आपको परसेंटेज ऑफ कमीशन जो है वो 100 में ऐड करना है. ठीक है, सो दिस आर द मेथड्स. प्लीज रीड दिस केयरफुली वंस, और फिर इसको आप सम्स में अप्लाई करेंगे तो आपको अच्छे से समझ में आएगा. ठीक है, अभी हम कर सकते हैं इलस्ट्रेशन 2. ओके. Hansa, Hitesh and Vijay are partners of a firm. There are 3 partners in a partnership firm. Their capital proportion is 3:2:1. This is their capital proportion, not profit and loss sharing proportion. There is a difference between these two. Yeah, profit sharing proportion अलग रहता है, capital proportion अलग रहता है. Hitesh is a partner. Hitesh is entitled to receive commission 10% on net profit after deduction of his such share. After deduction, these are the words that you are going to observe. अब ये किस मेथड के हिसाब से हुआ? See, second method, after deduction. So you are going to apply this formula. Okay? Rest of the information is provided. Yeah, so we have decided that which method we are going to use. We are going to use second method. What amount will be received by Hitesh when profit of the firm is rupees 1,65,000 at the end of the year? Understand the question. There are 3 partners. Their capital proportion is 3:2:1. We have nothing to do with capital. पूरे क्वेश्चन में कैपिटल का कहीं पे भी यूज नहीं है, बट येस वी आर ऑब्वियसली वी रिक्वायर द प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग proportion. Now you know very well, as per the provisions of Indian Partnership Act, if the profit sharing proportion of partners is not mentioned, what you are going to do? You have to consider it as equal proportion. Now they say that Hitesh is a partner, is supposed to receive commission. Who will pay commission? The firm. And as per second method. Now they say the profit of the firm is 1,65,000. So what is the amount received by Hitesh? Yeah, Hitesh को profit में से तो share मिलेगा ही. On top of that, Hitesh will also get amount of commission. Now commission is an expense of the firm. Yes. So before distributing profit of the firm among partners, you are supposed to deduct all the expenses. If you remember this point. हमारा प्रॉफिट क्या है वो हमें कब पता चलता है? जब हम सारे एक्सपेंसेस डिडक्ट करेंगे हमारे इनकम में से. then only you'll be getting the exact amount of profit, that is net profit. Yes, and just because it is divided among partners, it is divisible profit. But it is necessary कि सारे एक्सपेंस वो इनकम से माइनस हो जाने के बाद वो प्रॉफिट डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया जाए. सो व्हाट इज द प्रॉफिट? सी इट इज 1,65,000. वी प्रॉफिट किसको दिया जाता है? पार्टनर्स को. कौन से रेशियो में? प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस शेयरिंग रेशियो में. प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस शेयरिंग रेशियो है? नहीं है. तो क्या कंसिडर करना है? इक्वल. बट कैन आई डिस्ट्रीब्यूट 1,65,000? नो. क्यों? क्योंकि इसमें से कमीशन अभी डिडक्ट नहीं हुआ है. पहले उसको हम कैलकुलेट करेंगे, फिर उसको डिडक्ट करेंगे, फिर डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेंगे प्रॉफिट. दिस इज हाउ इट वर्क्स. ओके, चलो, so we'll understand. As I said, we are going to use second method, so directly we'll understand from that step. कमीशन ऊपर जो दिया है वो एक्सप्लेनेशन है. आप जब भी सम करेंगे तो आप यहां से स्टार्ट करेंगे. या कमीशन, whose commission? Commission of Hitesh equals to profit into percentage of commission upon 100 plus percentage of commission. It is compulsory to write down the formula every time you solve the sum. It is compulsory. Now we'll just substitute. We already know what is the profit. It is 1,65,000. They've clearly mentioned in the question. They've also mentioned the percentage of commission. So we have simply substitute the figures and we have obtained the amount of commission. See, 15,000. So this 15,000 is to be paid to Hitesh as his commission. अब 1,65,000 में से 15,000 कमीशन पे करना है. So what is divisible profit? First of all, what is divisible profit? Divisible profit का meaning क्या है? The profit that can be divided among partners, and the profit can only be divided once all the expenses have been deducted from the same. Yeah, we had net profit 1,65,000, उसमें से हमने 15,000 commission deduct किया. So what is divisible profit? 1,50,000. All right. Now this 1,50,000 can be distributed among partners in equal proportion. Yeah. But what is our question? In question they are asking us कि आप हमें सिर्फ इतना बताइए that what is the amount of profit received by Hitesh along with commission. In short, they've said what is the amount received by Hitesh. So Hitesh is going to get his share of profit from 1,50,000. कितना मिलेगा उनको? 50,000 of course. If we are sharing this profit among 3 partners in equal proportion, तो 50,000 के हिसाब से उनको मिलेगा. Over and above this, 15,000 is received by Hitesh as commission. तो टोटल शेयर उनको क्या है जो मिल रहा है? ₹65,000. एंड दैट्स ऑल. तो हमारा सम कंप्लीट हो गया है. या all what is important in this type of sums that you should be able to decide which method you are going to use. Okay, chalo, we'll continue. These are the methods that we've already learned. Now illustration 3. Try to understand. The profit loss sharing ratio of Jayesh, Suresh and Pankaj is 6:2:3. A manager has received his commission of rupees 6,600 at 10% after deduction of such commission from profit. Ascertain distribution of profit among the partners. Now this sum is little bit different compared to the previous illustration. Now, as I said that you are supposed to use method on the basis of the words they have mentioned. Here they have said after deduction of such commission. That simply means that you are going to use second method. But understand the difference. The previous sum that we have understood, उसमें क्या था? Directly आपको profit दे दिया गया था that what is the net profit? 1,65,000 था. And you were supposed to calculate commission. What is the case here? Here already the amount of commission is given and you are supposed to obtain the amount of profit. तो ये sum जा रहा है reverse direction में. Yes? So in such a case, जब भी sum reverse करके आपको दिया जाता है, तब आपको हमेशा first method apply करना होता है, though they have mentioned after deduction of such commission. ये उन्होंने इसलिए मेंशन किया है कि इस मेथड के हिसाब से उन्होंने कमीशन का अमाउंट प्रेजेंट किया है. ठीक है? So in such case you'll be using first method always. Okay? They have also presented the profit sharing ratio of 3 partners, the amount of commission, etc., etc. And below they have given the explanation of the same. Yeah, simply speaking, you are supposed to use first method in this. Okay? See, manager receives 10% from profit after deduction of his commission. If you don't want to confuse yourself with this explanation, I have simple method. The first method formula, which is commission equals to here net profit into percentage of commission upon 100. Understand? You are using first method. Why I have explained. Just substitute whatever you are provided with. What is the amount of commission? It is 6600, I think. Let us check. Yes. 6600 equals to net profit. Net profit हमारे पास नहीं है. Okay. What is the percentage of commission? 10 and upon 100. I repeat, we are using first formula, though they have mentioned answer with second formula, but just because the sum goes in the reverse direction, you are supposed to use first formula. Always remember this. Yes.
मैम आप थर्ड इलस्ट्रेशन करवा रहे हो, स्क्रीन पे तो सेकंड इलस्ट्रेशन दिखा रहे हैं.
Sorry.
आप थर्ड इलस्ट्रेशन एक्सप्लेन कर रहे हो ना अभी?
Yes.
तो स्क्रीन पे तो सेकंड इलस्ट्रेशन दिखा रहा है.
तो थोड़ा शायद नेटवर्क इशू हो सकता है. To avoid
अच्छा,
this, you
ठीक है.
can you can use your textbook for this.
यस मैम.
Yeah. कभी कभी क्या है कि
कौन से पेज नंबर पे?
पेज नंबर 16.
ठीक है मैम, थैंक यू.
Okay, no problem. Yeah, we'll continue. So I was saying, yes, I was saying that we are going to use first formula and we'll substitute whatever we have. So commission का amount हमारे पास available है, which is 6600 equals to net profit we don't have into 10 upon 100. Now what you are going to do is that a net profit you want to obtain. Yeah, so क्या रहेगा? Net profit equals to यहाँ पे जो 100 है उसको आप लेके जाइए मल्टीप्लीकेशन में इक्वल टू के दूसरी तरफ. सो कमीशन इंटू 100 अपॉन परसेंटेज ऑफ कमीशन इक्वल्स टू नेट प्रॉफिट. तो क्या रहेगा? 6600 इंटू 100 अपॉन 10. सी सिंपल. एक्सप्लेनेशन में देखिए, it is 6600 into 100 upon 10. So simply the amount of divisible profit is obtained, which is 66,000. Now this will be distributed among partners in their profit sharing ratio. How do you distribute profit among the partners? What is the ratio? 6:2:3. We are not going to deduct the amount of commission because it is already deducted. जो commission का amount हमें दिया गया था, it was as per, see, after deduction. So the amount of profit that we have obtained is divisible profit. All right. So you cannot say मैम 66,000 में से कमीशन का अमाउंट तो माइनस कीजिए. नो, वो ऑलरेडी माइनस करके हमने फाइंड किया है. ठीक है. We have obtained divisible profit, not the net profit. Then, so 6 is to 2 is to 3. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 2, sorry, 8 plus 3, 11. What is divisible profit? 66,000. See, this is how it is distributed for Jayesh, Suresh and Pankaj. 66,000 into 6 by 11, then into 2 by 11 and 3 by 11. So this completes your sum. What was our main question? Ascertain distribution of profit among partners. So we have obtained the same. See, distribution of profit among partners, 3 partners, as per their profit sharing ratio. इस sum में profit sharing proportion was mentioned, but if in case if it was not mentioned, तो आपको profit हमेशा equal proportion में distribute करना है. ठीक है. Then this is also about commission. Illustration 4. Sheila, Surbhi and Seema are partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 5:7:9. Manager Sanket is entitled to receive 10% commission from profit after deduction of his such commission. Surbhi receives share in profit rupees 7,000. Determine the amount of commission of Sanket. Also determine amount of profit before the commission of manager. Now this is again little bit twisted. पहला illustration commission से related जो हमने किया was the simplest. There were 3 partners. Profit sharing proportion हमने equal लिया. Net profit हमें दिया हुआ था. Net profit के basis पे simply हमने formula use करके commission का amount obtain किया. उसको net profit से हमने deduct किया और profit कर दिया distribute. Second जो हमने सीखा, मतलब commission से related, actually it was third illustration. उसमें क्या था कि आपको commission का amount provide कर दिया था और आपको divisible profit find करना था. अब क्या है, अब वापस sum reverse है, थोड़ा आगे के step तक reverse आपको दिया है. फर्स्ट सम में क्या सीखा हमने कमीशन में कि 1,50,000 वाला जो अमाउंट था उसको आपने डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया 3 पार्टनर में. तो अब यहाँ पे वो स्टेप आया है कि इन्होंने प्रॉफिट डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया है, तो उस प्रॉफिट में से सुरभि इज अ पार्टनर, उसको 7,000 मिला है. मतलब ये एकदम रिवर्स है सम. आखिरी स्टेप से आपको पूरा सम उल्टा ही करना है. ठीक है. I'll repeat the question. There are 3 partners. Profit sharing proportion is given 5:7:9. Manager Sanket is entitled to receive 10% commission from profit after deduction of his such commission. What is the amount of profit received by Surbhi? 7,000. 3 पार्टनर हैं, 3 में से एक पार्टनर का शेयर हमें बताया गया है. ठीक है. अब पार्टनर्स को जो प्रॉफिट में शेयर मिलता है वो कौन से बेसिस पे मिलता है? उनके प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो के हिसाब से मिलता है ना. 5:7:9. सुरभि का शेयर क्या है? सबसे पहले तो 5 + 7 is 12. 12 + 9 is 21. तो सुरभि का शेयर अगर आप यहाँ पे कंसिडर करेंगे तो वो रहेगा 7/21. एंड व्हाट इज द टोटल शेयर? इट इज ऑलवेज 1. ठीक है. सो लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड. अभी सुरभि को जितना शेयर मिला है उसके बेसिस पे हम डिविजिबल प्रॉफिट फाइंड करेंगे. अंडरस्टैंड? सी, व्हाट इज द टोटल प्रॉफिट? ₹1. ये शेयर के हिसाब से है, ये जो आपका प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो है ना, उस हिसाब से. दिस इज टोटल प्रॉफिट ₹1. 1 में से सुरभि का शेयर कितना है? इट इज, सी हियर, 7/21 is the share of Surabhi. Total profit of firm is ₹1. Yes? See, तो सुरभि का शेयर अगर 7/21 है तो उनको प्रॉफिट कितना मिल रहा है? 7,000. तो अगर टोटल शेयर जो है वो 1 है, यस, तो टोटल प्रॉफिट क्या रहेगा? क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन. सो इफ यू प्रेजेंट इट दिस वे, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन के हिसाब से आपको डिविजिबल प्रॉफिट मिल जाएगा. मतलब अगर एक पार्टनर का शेयर आपको दिया गया है तो उसके बेसिस पे आप दूसरे पार्टनर्स का शेयर ऑब्टेन कर सकते हैं, और एल्स आई कैन से यू कैन डायरेक्टली ऑब्टेन डिविजिबल प्रॉफिट. नाउ दिस डिविजिबल प्रॉफिट, इसमें से कमीशन माइनस नहीं हुआ है. क्यों? क्योंकि कमीशन का अमाउंट हमें कहीं पे भी सम में दिया नहीं हुआ है. उन्होंने हमें बोला है कि आपको कैलकुलेट करना है. प्रीवियस सम में क्या था? कमीशन का अमाउंट दे दिया था, इसलिए हमने डिविजिबल प्रॉफिट में से फिर से कमीशन माइनस नहीं किया था. इसमें तो हमें ही ऑब्टेन करना है. सो मैनेजर्स कमीशन 21,000 इंटू 10/100. आई रिपीट, हम वापस से सम पूरा रिवर्स ऑर्डर में कर रहे हैं, तो हमारा जो मेथड है वो फर्स्ट ही रहेगा. आफ्टर डिडक्शन है विच इज सेकेंड मेथड, पर सम रिवर्स में चल रहा है तो फर्स्ट मेथड ही अप्लाई होगा. दिस इज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट यू आर सपोज टू रिमेंबर. यस, सो 21,000 इंटू 10/100, 10% कमीशन के हिसाब से. सो व्हाट इज मैनेजर्स कमीशन? 2,100. Now their question is, what is the amount of profit before commission of manager? Yeah, so simply add this. Divisible profit plus commission of manager. 21,000 plus 2,100. मतलब they are asking us that कमीशन माइनस करने से पहले का शेयर जो है वो हमें बताइए. तो हम ऐड कर देते हैं. इफ दे आर आस्किंग अस आफ्टर कैलकुलेशन ऑफ कमीशन तो हमें माइनस करना है. इफ दे आर आस्किंग अस बिफोर कैलकुलेशन ऑफ कमीशन, बिफोर डिडक्टिंग कमीशन, राइट, तो हमें ऐड करना रहता है. दैट इज 23,100. राइट. So again we are done with illustration 4. So for today we have done illustration 2, 3 and 4. Yeah, we'll find similar sums to this in your exercise that you are going to do in homework today. Short sums ही पूछे जाते हैं. Yes, page number 30, exercise question 2 and question 3. Fine, only 2 sums. So you are going to practice illustration 2, 3 and 4, and thereafter in your exercise question 2 and question 3. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. We'll end the session for today.